Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to see the archived tasks in your list on Clickup. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Clickup web application by going to your browser and then search for app.clickup.com, and then you will access to the website, and then you will need to sign up with your email to create an account. And if you already have one, just log in with your email, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. And basically now we need to go to our space or working space so we can work on our list. And basically I'm going to use this list, or I'm going to work in this list, and now I'm going to show you how to see the archive task. So for example, let's just archive this one. So basically click on the colored etc is the archive tasks. And now to see the archive task, we need to go to the settings of our board or our ClickUp so we can show the archived task. And basically all we need to do is to go here on ClickUp on this navigation tab, and you may have it closed or hidden, so you need just to click on this, click on it, and here we'll find this sidebar settings. And of course by clicking on it we will find here an option that is called show archive, and basically by clicking on it you will see all the archived items. And as you can see, this is the task that we have archived at first, and as you can see there is this icon of archive here. That means that it is already archived, but we are seeing it. So simply and basically this is how you can show or see the archived items or tasks on ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.